Hey guys, it's Carla. Alright, as I've said before, I use very cheap paint supplies. So I use cheap brushes that I can use and abuse, and I don't have to worry about it because they're easy to replace. I use cheap paint, like craft paint, so I don't have to worry about wasting paint or anything like that because, you know, these are like 50 something cents each at Walmart, so very inexpensive. But what I really want to show you is some different surfaces that you can paint on if you're just practicing. Now, if you're selling your art, that's a whole different story because, you know, obviously you have to do it on more permanent surfaces. But if you're just practicing, just doing it for fun, whatever, these are some inexpensive surfaces that you can use. So the first one I'm going to show you is just a canvas panel. Everybody kind of knows what those are. And this is the most expensive one out of all of these, but still very inexpensive. Watercolor paper. You could use watercolor paper. You could use mixed media paper, acrylic paper, anything like that. They come in a pad, and to make it even less expensive, you can buy a bigger pad and then just like cut it in fourths or in half or whatever, just depending on the size that you like to paint on. So watercolor paper, acrylic paper, or mixed media paper, something like that. The next one is cardstock paper. Again, very inexpensive, and I buy these in, they already come in 5x7 sheets. I just buy a stack of them, but you can buy them bigger, like I said, and like with this, and cut them in half or in fourths or whatever. So very inexpensive. The rest of these are free. So you can use something like a food container, cardboard, something like that. And now it will kind of drink the paint if you don't gesso it first, but if you put a coat of gesso on it, it's going to accept the paint just like anything else does. So keep some gesso on hand and just save your cardboard food containers. And my husband is afraid to throw away anything because I fussed at him so much because I want to keep it. I use it for different things, crafts and stuff. So so save those. Some are brown like this, some are white. Either way, it works better if you gesso it. Now, I have painted on them before without using gesso, and it's fine. It does absorb the paint a little bit more. The last one I want to tell you about is just, it's a piece of an Amazon box. So again, free. And if you gesso it, then it will accept the paint just like the others. So I hope this is handy information for you if you're just practicing. It's just why pay for something to paint on if you're just practicing when you've got these free things around the house. So hope this helps you, and until next time, thanks for watching. God bless you.